This is our interactive writing tablet, the QIT-30. With this, we offer 25 hours of continuous cable-free operation. And basically what this is an extension of the whiteboard. With the tablet, we can actually work on our whiteboard and then actually pass it off to our students to make learning more interactive and innovative. So I don't have to stay on the board all the time. I can walk around, interact with my students, ask them questions, and let them work on the board. One interesting feature about this is that we actually offer 16 programmable macro keys, which means if you use Microsoft Word that much or a certain website, we can program them into these hotkeys, and as soon as that's clicked, it'll open up. We can use this with document cameras and actually other USB applications at the same time. So that's what we can do with one tablet, but actually only through one USB dongle connection through your computer, 30 tablets can operate at the same time. So if you'd like to ask your class a question like, what is 2 plus 2? They can actually put their pens on the tablet, and the first person to touch will get to answer. So the first one to put their pen down gets the control. But this also means that the teacher can always control who is working and who is not. Many teachers teach with PowerPoint for presentations, so we've included some PowerPoint options for you. Through these two keys, you can actually scroll through your slides, much like I'm doing here, and also a volume control button. And actually, everything can be very compact here. The USB dongle will actually be stored inside the tablet, and the pen can actually rest on the top. Well, please come by our stand later today, and I can actually show you how the whole thing works. As you can see, this side is very solid. We can't see the screen inside of it. But we can with the other ones. The QIT 300 and 500 interactive displays actually show your computer screen on them, and you can write over it. And just through a simple VGA connection, you can see everything that you are doing on your computer. So this means we can annotate over any PC image or program, just also with Flowworks. Okay. This is also an interesting option for classrooms that can't afford a whiteboard. If they have a tablet, then actually the projector can put the work on the screen, and the teacher can stand here and work on it instead of having a large display like this. And these are good because this eliminates any calibration or size limitations. Normally what you'd have to do is tell where your workspace is on the board. You don't have to do that with the displays. Being able to see your screen means you never have to keep turning your back to your audience. You can always work right in front of them, tell exactly what you're doing without having that awkward pause or being distanced from your audience. This doesn't cast any shadow. My shadow is minimized here, but there is no shadow when working through one of the tablets. And if you don't have a short throw projector, what happens when you step in front of the beamer? You get blinded. That doesn't happen anymore. And we also have one of these on our stand, so please come by and look at that.